Okay, class 12, exercise 6, say 4 marks questions, sum number 26. This sum number 20, this type of sum is very, very important. Just listen carefully what I am telling you. X to the power 6 plus 3x square plus 2x minus x to the power 3 is there. X cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 7 by 2x plus 1 Normally what we do, this expansion normal, in the normal form what we do, the numerator, what is in the expanded form, we have to find the factors. But here, this from this equation, from this formation or from this expression, it's not equation, from this expression x cube plus normal, what we do, we have to just trial and error method. What we do, x equal to 1 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2, like this. When we will get the full expansion as 0, then if we take x equal to, if we get the expansion for x equal to 1, then what we say, that x minus 1 is the factor of the expression. But here x minus, here we cannot find the factor in that way. Why? Because we have to get the factor of 2x plus 1 as it is in the denominator, 2x plus 1. We have to get the factor as 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 means x equal to minus half, then we have to take x equal to minus half. So if we take x equal to minus half, then only we can say 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to see whether for x equal to minus half, the full expression is coming 0 or not. This is one method, but this method on the fractional form, don't go for that. Okay, what we will do, this very simple way, just do this numerator by denominator, the normal division form. Normal division form. That means, say if I say 25 by 2, then what we do, 25, 2 12s are 24, then remainder is 1. So 25 by 2, then how can we write 12 whole number 1 by 2? Yes or no? Okay, so 25 by 2 can be written as 12 whole number 1 by 2. And this 12 whole number 1 by 2 in our childhood already we have done. So 12 plus 1 by 2. Any kind of this type of fraction can be written 12 and half means 12 plus half. 1 and half means 1 plus half. Okay, just keep it in your mind. We will do this this integrand only, we will expand the integrand in the form of this. Now let's see how to do the division. That part we have already completed in class 7 and 8. Okay, how to do it? 2x plus 1, we have to divide the x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 7. Okay, what is the first term in this expression? First term is x cube and here it is 2x. We have to get only x cube. So we have to multiply the term by x square by 2. Understood or not? We have to get x cube. Okay, but we have here 2x. 2x into 2x square by 2. 2 cancel, will get x square. So it is coming x cube now. To get x cube, the similar term we have to get x cube, and since it is this into this is coming x cube, then 1 into x square by 2 is coming same x square by 2. Okay, then minus. Normal division I am doing. Okay, so 3x square minus x square by 2. 3x square minus x square by 2. It is coming 3 minus half means what? That is coming, so 3 minus half, that is 6 minus 1, 5 by 2. Okay, so right here 5 by 2 x square, and it is 2x minus 7. Now in this expression, first term is 5 by 2x square. Coefficient is 5 by 2 and here it is 2x. So we have to multiply by 5x by 4. We have to multiply by 5x by 4 to get 5x square by 2 as 2x into 5x by 4. 2 2s are 4. See, this is coming 5x square by 2. Okay, so we have to multiply this by 5x by 4. So now we have got 5 by 2x square. And 5x by 4 will be multiplied by 1 also. So we will get 5x by 4. Okay. Again minus minus. These two terms will be cancelled. Now 2x minus 5x by 4. 2x minus 5x by 4. So 2 minus 5 by 4 means 8 minus 5 is 3. So it is coming 3 by 4. So 3 by 4x minus 7. 3 by 4x minus 7. Okay. So we have to get 3 by 4x and it is only 2x. So multiply this by 3 by 8. Why? Because 3 by 8 into 2x. 2 4s are 8. See, this is coming 3x by 4. Got it? So 3 by 8 it is coming 3 by 4 into x. 3 by 8 plus 1 it is coming only 3 by 8. So all x related terms now cancel. So what we get now? Minus 7 minus 3 by 8. Minus 7 minus 3 by 8 means minus 7 minus 3 by 8. 8 and 56 minus 3. It's coming minus 59 by 8. Minus 50, remainder is minus 59 by 8. This is the remainder. Minus 59 by 8. Okay. Now according to the division rule, now quotient part is this, remainder is this. So the for this x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to this whole number, whole part is this, and minus 59 by 8 whole divided by 2x plus 1. We will just write in this way, the normal division form. What we will write? Integral in what is the quotient part? Quotient part is x square by 2 plus 5x by 4 plus 3x by 8. This whole number minus 59 by 8 divided by, let me rub this part, otherwise no place to rub. Minus 59 by 8 by 2x plus 1. Okay. By 2x plus 1. So what did I say? When this type of, if 5 and half is written, it's a 5 plus half. So this x square by 2 plus 5x by 4 plus 3 by 8 dx, or we can write this plus this one. Minus 50 directly we can do, minus 59 minus 59, take it outside the bracket. 59 by 2 dx by 2x plus 1. Okay. Then what we will do here? Now 1 by 1 we will just x square by 2 dx plus 5 by 4 integral x dx plus 3 by 8 integral dx minus 59 by 8 integral 1 by 2x to 1 by 2x plus 1 is there. Okay. So log 1 by 2x plus 1 if we take as p, then it will be log 2x plus 1 here, and it will be minus 59 by 2. 59 by 8 is existing into 2 as it is 2x plus 1, and it is log 2x plus 1. Okay. And this part you can expand, no problem. It will be x cube by 6, then it will be 5 by 4 x square by 2, so make it 8 plus 3 by 8, make it x, minus 59 by 16 log 2x plus 1. I think now it is clear. Otherwise, if I explain again, then video will be too long. Understood or not? I think you have understood. Otherwise, when you will submit your copy, that copy again I have to do it. Okay, try to understand. 26 done. Next sum number 28. It's better to start with the new video. Sum number 28 coming with a new video.